So in this video demonstration, I'm going to show you one interesting part of the ETTEO mobile app. So the app works and has the ability to work completely offline. So if you lose cellular connection within a homeowner's home, or you go out of cellular connection, you'll be okay. The app still functions. So in this example, I'm going to turn my airplane mode on. And you can see in the top right corner, that green dot turned red, indicating that I've lost cellular connection. When this happens, all documents and all notes and all services, everything to do with an order is stored in an offline queue. Now sometimes this queue will back up and fill up, and you'll see it here in the side menu. So I'll click on queue, and nothing's in here right now. However, if you have things pending in your queue, 99.99% of the time, they will automatically sync back up when you come online and regain a cellular connection. However, just be mindful that if they don't, most likely operations will reach out to you, but you have this sync button in the top right of the queue. You'll come back online, you'll click the sync queue, or the sync button in the queue, and all of your documents and all of your notes within that queue will sync back up into the ETTEO portal. Thanks.